Discover lightweight precision with our carbon fiber precision tubes. At Carbon-Composite.com, we manufacture in Germany using prepreg wrapping technology, delivering exceptional dimensional accuracy and premium surface quality. Available in a wide range of diameters tailored to your project requirements. With a wall thickness of just 0.75 mm, these tubes achieve the perfect balance between minimal weight and high structural stiffness. Choose between grippy raw surfaces, precision sanded matte, or high gloss finishes. Perfect for robotics, drones, aviation, aerospace, and advanced engineering prototypes. These carbon tubes provide excellent bending stiffness and strength while keeping your systems lightweight and efficient. Bring precision to your project. Visit Carbon-Composite.com to find the ideal carbon precision tube for your next lightweight application.